How's the structural integrity holding up on your end?
Negative. Extensive corrosion on the turret ring. This wreck is unstable.
Pressure nominal on the port side, we are clear to lift.
Acknowledged. Initiating ascent sequence.
Tension steady. Vitals green.
Confirmed. Continue the ascent.
Look at that! Hold the line steady! We finally got her! Easy now, mind the chains. It's touching down. Secure the hydraulics. Clamps engaged. It's secure. We're looking at significant degradation across the entire section.
Yeah, the ultrasound readings confirm deep pitting. This entire area needs immediate attention.
Look at this reading on the tablet. The wear pattern suggests fatigue.
Are you correlating that with the scan data?
Yes, the 3D rendering highlights the stress fractures clearly.
All right, she's secure. Ready for transport. Confirmed. Sign here. Job well done, gentlemen.
Reporting live from the harbor, a historic arrival.
Crane control, bring her down steady.
All right, bring it down. Hold it steady, watch the clearance. Set it down now. Easy.
Keep it steady, watch the left side clearance.
Clear on the right, maintain course.
The stress fractures on the turret ring are stabilizing.
Confirmed. Confirmed.
The initial analysis confirms the presence of corrosion.
I'm preparing the labels for the chromatography testing now.
The structural integrity is compromised here.
Laser mapping confirms severe damage near the drivetrain.
Pressure levels are spiking in sector gamma.
Vapors increasing. Initiating plasma flush sequence now.
Stabilizing flow rate.
Move the arm to section 3.
Engaging the ablation laser now.
Watch the pressure on that seam.
Structural integrity is compromised near the bulkhead. Thermal readings confirm corrosion.
Adjusting the bore scope now for...
All right, more power to the main hoist. Steady now, watch that sprocket. Keep it coming up.
Synchronize the descent. Mark left.
Confirm, coming down slowly. Precise movements, watch the alignment pins.
We need to speed up the main press.
Copy that, increasing flow now.
The schematic shows the star centered exactly here.
Okay, applying the final coat now.
That aligns precisely with the original field manual specifications. Excellent work.
Torque on the main drive is secure.
Hydraulics pressurized and holding.
Diagnostic confirms green status across the board. The tank is operational.
Guidance system is green. Initiating forward propulsion. Power levels nominal. Recalibrating lateral alignment sensors now. Alignment confirmed. Proceeding as planned.
We need to replace this section here. Okay, I'll prep the new harness.
Missions. The structural integrity on sector gamma is critical.
The housing is clear. Bring the manifold over.
Easy now, watch that gasket seal.
Lining it up. Secure it.
All right, bring her down slow. Steady now. Clear on the left side. Seated. Locking sequence initiated.
Pressure differential is spiking. Confirm valve closure status.
Negative confirmation. System is unresponsive. Initiate abort sequence.
It's alive! Woo! We did it, gentlemen! We actually did it!
Turret stabilizing on Z-axis. Running final alignment check.
Alignment confirmed. Systems are nominal.
Get the torque wrench on this one now. Clear. Finishing up here. Lift it slightly higher.
Engine response is holding steady at max load.
Brake performance is registering unstable torque. Check the sensor logs.
Turret rotation speed is optimal.
We did it! Look at her go!
Sierra Bravo, we are moving out of the hangar.
Copy that. Maintaining perimeter security. Keep it tight. Move to zone Gamma.
All teams, confirm readiness for engine start.
Hydraulics engaged. Turret is active.
Systems green, awaiting ignition sequence.
Ignition sequence initiated. Pressure holding steady.
Confirm nominal. Exhaust temperature stabilizing.
Recording visual data. Looks good.
The tank is demonstrating full power. Moving past checkpoint 5 now. The terrain is heavily disrupted.
Rotation tracking nominal. Preparing to stop.
Alignment confirmed. 0-point accuracy achieved. Turret locked.
Maintain speed at 30 kph over the next trench.
Reading spiking on the left suspension arm.
Tank 1, initiate braking sequence now.
Acknowledged. Proceed to maneuverability drills. Execute sharp turns on the mark.
Speed tracking on the uphill climb is underperforming.
Confirmed. Engine output is lagging despite stabilized thermal load.
Adjust the fuel mixture and rerun diagnostics.
Recalibration complete. Accuracy at 99.8%.
Flawless stabilization test. The targeting array is fully operational.
All inspections are complete, General. Armor strength and historical authenticity are confirmed.
The data...
Crew check, headsets on. We need those podiums centered precisely.
Copy that. Adjusting podium Delta 3.
Lighting alignment initiated.
Hold position. Engaging the locks. Straps secured. Tension looks good. Confirmed. Ready to close the ramp.
Sierra Bravo 1, perimeter secure. We are approaching the I-5 interchange.
Copy that, 1. Keep it tight. Watch the overpass.
All right, bring her down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left. Confirmed, lowering steadily. And touchdown. Looks magnificent right there. All right, bring it forward slowly. Watch the right track. Easy now. Hold it right there. Looks good.
And here it is, the moment history is reintroduced to the present day. A truly iconic reveal.
The craftsmanship on this turret alone is extraordinary, built to withstand incredible force.
Congratulations, gentlemen.
Indeed. A landmark achievement for the Heritage Fund.
Ready positions, everyone. Check your angles.
Angle 4 is clear.
Synchronized strobes on my mark. 3, 2, 1.
Congratulations on this monumental achievement. Thank you. We couldn't have done it without the dedication of everyone involved.
Movement detected on perimeter cam 3.
Acknowledged. Maintaining visual on the artifact.
The engineering brilliance is evident in the armor design.
Yeah. It must have taken immense courage to operate.